Hello everyone, this is Sindhu Punima from Oro Realty. I hope you're doing well and enjoying the winter chills. After the festive celebration, I'm delighted to welcome you to the latest construction progress walkthrough of the Regent by Oro Realty, located in the heart of Kondapur as of January 2026. The Regent is a premium high-rise gated community set across 10.38 acres and framed by sweeping views of Gopicheru Lake and the lush greens of Hyderabad Central University. Thoughtfully crafted to offer you a lifestyle that feels calm, elevated and enduring. It is a community where nature, architecture and refined urban living come together seamlessly. Let's take you through the update starting with Phase 1, which consists of pristine, esteem and serene towers. Phase 1. We are happy to share that over 750 customers have completed registrations and taken possession of the units. Proceeding with interior works. Additionally, over 200 families have occupied their units and are enjoying a happy lifestyle, experiencing the lush and luxe of the Regent offers. With the start of the new academic year, we expect many more residents to move in this quarter across Phase 1. We're also thrilled to announce that 98% of the inventory in Phase 1, comprising of pristine, esteem and serene towers, is now sold out. Phase 2. Now let's take a look at Phase 2, starting with Dazzling Tower. With the structure fully completed, finishing and MEP works are progressing in full swing, both internally and externally. Terrace waterproofing works is 100% completed, with texture painting works progressing at a brisk pace. Internally, we have completed toilet waterproofing works and gypsum wall punning works across all the units. Tiling works along with internal wall putty works are completed for 40% of the units. Orders finalized for both windows and door joineries, and production will be taken up shortly. As far as non-tower areas are concerned, the UGSM structure is completed and getting ready for waterproofing works. All RC walls for STP are also completed, and precast slabs erection for the roof of STP are planned to start very soon. Basement slabs are getting ready with screed concrete over the precast slabs. Moving on to Celestine Tower, the typical floor structure is completed up to the 37th floor and progressing on the 38th and 39th floors. Parallelly, gypsum punning works for the units are making significant progress. We are excited to share that 95% of the inventory in Phase 2 is sold out. Now, it's your chance to own one of these spacious units ranging from 1950 square feet to 2191 square feet. That concludes our construction update for the Regent. I hope this video has given you valuable insights into the progress of the Regent. Thank you for your continued support and we encourage you to visit our site office for more updates. This is Sindhu Punima signing off.